Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and today I will show you how to make eto. It's a Ghanaian dish also known as mashed plantain. This is so easy to make. You don't need a lot of ingredients. All you need is green plantain, ripe plantain, eggs, onions, avocado pear, Scotch bonnet, Maggi cubes or salt, roasted nuts and palm oil. First thing first, we will roast the peanuts. You can get this from any Asian or African shop. The next step now is to peel off the plantain, both the right one, so the yellow one and the green one, and we would boil that for about 25 minutes until it gets soft. We need to use this earthenware and wooden mash to grind the chili, the onions, the Maggi cube together. Once you've mashed it all together and it looks fine, then put the roasted nuts in and then you grind it all together as well. But it comes to a stage where it becomes a bit hard. That's when you will add the palm oil to it and that would soften the mix. Once you've mixed the oil with it and then you continue to grind until it becomes very fine, then you start to add the cooked plantain one by one. You don't put everything in at once, especially if the plantains is a lot. You have to do it individually so that it won't get lumpy. And then just continue with that process. Once you've added all the plantain, mash it all together and that is it. And here is the result. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!